from the city of El Viejo Chinandega, located to the west of Nicaragua, which brings a lot of cultural and religious importance to the country. It has a population of 8,957 inhabitants and a territorial extension of 1,275 square kilometers. It is near the Pacific coast, so it is very recognized for its beaches. El Viejo is well known like agricultural sector, since in addition to being a territory formed by plains suitable for cultivation, it has two of the largest agricultural companies in Nicaragua, San Antonio and Monterrosa. El Viejo also has the internationally known Basilica of the Virgen del Trono, in which every December the religious festival are celebrated, which many believers attend both nationality and internationality. In addition, El Viejo has beautiful beaches such as Jiquilillo and Aserradores, which are very famous for their great waves. In El Viejo, the rainy season is cloudy. The dry season is mostly clear and very hot. During the year, the temperature varies from 24 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and rarely drops below 22 degrees Celsius or rise to more than 36 degrees Celsius. El Viejo is well known since in addition to being a city with many volcanoes, it is home to the largest volcano in Nicaragua, the San Cristobal volcano, which height of 1,745 meters above the sea level. The San Cristobal volcano is undoubtedly a tourist attraction and as a complement to this, different activities are carried out in it, such as climbing the volcano, sleeping around it, and appreciating the wonderful lava shows. What I like the most about El Viejo is that it's a city with very supportive and united population. Without a doubt, people do not hesitate to help you if they have a problem. Thank you.